Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to replace the headlight bulbs of a Ford Explorer. You see this barrel there? That's where the bulb assembly is. First, you will need to remove that rubber hood, just like that. The bulb is right inside there. So grab the bulb along with the wire, give it a little counterclockwise twist and pull it out, just like that. Okay, you got the bulb out. The bulb is attached to the wires. There is a little clip in there, so you just press the clip and push or pull out the bulb from its slot. If you need to use both your hands, please do that. Make sure you use gloves. Yeah, and the bulb comes out easily. Here's my new bulb. I'm going to stick it back in there, connecting it to the wires. You just will hear a small click it in there, put it back into the chamber and give it a clockwise twist to lock it in place. Trying to find the slot.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I found the slot. I'm going to lock it clockwise. Yes, just like that. That's it. The last step is to just put back in that lid or the rubber boot, and you're all done. It's so easy to replace the light bulb. Next, I'll show you it's exactly the same method to replace the other side, but I'll still show you how it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. So this is the other side. You see the barrel, the assembly where the bulb fits in. Remove the hood. The bulb is right in there. Give the bulb an anti-clockwise turn and pull the bulb out, just like how we did on the other side. Yes, the bulb is out. Now press the clip and pull out the bulb. Yes, there it is. Replace the new one. Put it back in the same slot. You will hear a light click. It's connected to the wire, and now try to put it back into the slot where the bulb sits. Put it back in the slot and give it a clockwise turn and let it lock. And it's not easy because there's not enough space there, but it's very straightforward to do. The last step is to just replace the boot. Yep. Pushing it there, it should fit in nicely, just like that. We're all done, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped. If you have any questions, post a comment and I'll respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching.